We're here at Quobba. Good morning, guys. Well, we're here at Quobba Eco Wilderness Camp this week. We are here for 6 nights.
5 nights.
5 nights. And we're going to do some snorkeling today. It's a beautiful day. And we're just going to have some lunch, cook some hot dogs, and then get out and get in the water. It's too good to miss. Here's our setup for the week. We have finally put out the awning with the awning walls, taken the legs down, which we've never done before. Drilled them in because we're here for 5 nights, as Amy said. And we tried the awning wall out. Pretty cool. Bit of shade, bit nice. So we thought we are going to be here for a few nights and not moving, and test it out, see how it goes in the WA wind. WA, windy always. Yum! Get in my belly.
It's good.
Take a bite.
Oh,
Take a bite.
it's a butterfly.
Lunch done.
Yeah.
Let's hit the water.
Woo!
Such a beautiful day.
It is.
It's not often we can say that there isn't a lot of wind in WA, and today there hasn't been a lot of wind, which has been really nice. So, get in the aquarium.
Also a bit sad.
So, here at Quobba Eco Wilderness Camp, there's this place, a part of the reef that they call the Aquarium.
Yeah.
Boys have been asking, why do they call it an aquarium? Well, I don't know. Let us know in the comments if you know why they call it the aquarium. I want to see what it's all about. Go and get in the water and we'll find out. See you there.
Good night.
All right, so we've just sort of finished up at the aquarium, and now we know why it's called the aquarium.
Lots of fishies
It's
everywhere.
so cool. I think the thing that I found really, really cool about it. Sorry if it's a bit windy. The thing that I found really cool about it is how close the fish swim to you. It's just crazy. I mean, when we were snorkeling in Osprey and up on the Ningaloo, they're close, but they're not. They're very wary of people. Whereas here, I don't know. I just feel like you got heaps closer to it.
Like,
Do you reckon?
I agree.
Yeah.
Can I say something?
It was really good.
Yeah.
Speaking of the fish that are friendly, a fish was like right here, just swimming up and staying behind me while I was moving. I was moving my legs up and down and walking, and it was so calm. It's a cool and calm fish, but I'm a cool and chill guy.
Yeah, it's really nice. I'd definitely say worth coming.
Yeah.
Give it a go, but try to time it with high tide because it gets a bit shallow, and you can get some warm wounds.
Yeah, Stephen's cut his knee on a rock. Somebody did say to us something about high tide after we'd gotten here. Unfortunately, the whole stay we're here, it's low tide through the day and high tide in the middle of the night. So, bit of a bummer, but I think this place would be really cool to snorkel in high tide. Yeah.
Let us know in the comments if you had a good time during high tide.
Go on, Rip. I like it.
Coffee and cake after a swim.
Coffee and cake.
Not a bad day.
Some good cake. Some good cake in a good chair.
Finished.
I'm done.
I'm done.
You're not done. You're still eating yours. We're going to go and see the blowholes now. Should be pretty good conditions for the blowholes. So
Yeah, well, they usually say that you should go on a rising tide, not all the way at high tide because then they get covered,
Yeah.
but a rising tide. We're actually here at low tide and we're sitting here and already seeing some really good action.
all right, we're going to go and have a look, and we'll show you what's what.
Yeah.
You'll see.
And what are they?
That's a great question as well.
What are they? Oh, that's a lot of salt.
So wow, check out the salt.
Oh, wow.
That's crazy.
Funny salt.
Yuck, Lodge, don't touch it.
What?
Salt. That's what you eat.
I don't think you eat that salt.
Yeah.
Sea salt.
That's
It's literally
that's what you put on your food. Dad,
Oscar.
Dad, eat some. Dad, eat some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daisy.
Yeah. Daisy.
Eat some sea salt.
Fine dining. Salty.
Salty?
Salty. Try some.
Surprised you don't love it.
Just a little bit. You want to try some?
No, thank you.
Just salt.
Woohoo!
Whoa! Another big one.
Another big one.
Woo! And that got closer. Wait, this is a massive one. Oh, watch out! Oh! Dad, wait. Oh,
And the
what is
water
it
comes
crashing in?
through the hole and shoots out that hole.
Like nice. You see that hole there? It goes down a bit and then it goes out to the ocean.
Yeah.
And when a wave comes, it goes. The kayak.
This is going to be one. Here we go. Go, Frank.
I know how the blowholes work.
How, Roops?
There's a bit of water still in the hole, but then when waves come, it forces its way out and launches up into the sky. And then
Yeah.
it keeps happening until it makes a bigger and bigger hole.
Yeah, water pressure and air, and it shoots up in the sky.
And it also, and the water that's in it gets trapped in it for 1,000 years.
Pretty crazy. Well, we just saw what,
We saw a whale. Like, just what? I don't know.
500 meters off Off,
Not even.
not even, maybe 300, 200?
200 metres, if that.
Off the, just out from the
Just
blowholes?
up from the rocks.
And then a dolphin or a porpoise of some kind swimming
Something.
past as well. It's crazy.
This is really cool here.
Yeah.
The thing that I've probably noticed the most is, like, compared to where we're from, it would have railings and things around it.
Yes.
Quobba Blowhole has railings around it. For good reason, but this doesn't. You could easily fall into this.
Yeah, but you know, people need to be expected to have an ounce of
Common
sensibility and common sense. And if they don't, well, natural selection wins.
Lost.
Good morning. Well, another adventure today. We're all finally going out snorkeling together for the first time.
As a family.
As a family.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, we've all had we've been unable to all be in at the same time. But today, at the aquarium, we're all going to get in at high tide. So, let's get in and check it out.
Let's go!
Well, that's another week done. at a beautiful location.
Yeah. I'd like to come back here, I think.
Yeah, Quobba was really good.
It's really nice.
The snorkeling is just...
Yeah. The aquarium is awesome.
Yeah. I mean, we didn't really get to do a lot of snorkeling at Ningaloo.
Or Osprey.
Yeah, so I don't know if it compares. Well, maybe
Well, it was pretty good. It was pretty good at
Osprey? Lakeside.
Lakeside,
Yeah.
but we just didn't get to all do that as a family. So it was really good to do it as a family.
Yeah, I think that's what made it even
When we
better.
go back, if we go back, we'll definitely have to do maybe Lakeside and Turquoise Bay and a bit more at Osprey and stuff.
I think that sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks for hanging out with us this week. We'll
Don't
see you
forget
next
to like and subscribe.
We'll see you next week. Bye.